Welcome to Tapsi House Kitchen. This is Nikka, your host. Today I'm going to show you how to make fish tacos. Fish tacos is a very healthy food, contains a lot of vegetables and good spices, and also is a low carb diet. Before I begin, please subscribe. Let's start by seasoning our fish with 1/2 teaspoon salt, one-half teaspoon cumin, one teaspoon paprika, by the way, I'm using half teaspoon, so I have to double up the measurement. 1 teaspoon black ground pepper, and squeeze some lime juice. I use tilapia since this is the only available in my fridge, but you can use any white, firm fish like cod. Now our fish is ready. Let's set this aside. Now it's time to mix our sauce together. In a small mixing bowl, add 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1/4 cup yogurt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk, just to add liquid to our sauce, dash of salt, 1/2 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon paprika powder, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon black ground pepper, and about 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Now let's mix our sauce together. there you have it. Let's put this aside. And for the salad ingredients, you need 1/4 cup carrots, 1 cup green cabbage, and 1 cup purple cabbage, 1/4 cup corn, and 1/4 cup chopped cilantro. I set aside some cilantro for garnish later on. Now let's add our sauce and mix the vegetables together. Let's put our salad inside the refrigerator to keep it cold. Now we are done with our fish and we have salad inside the refrigerator. Let's grill our flour tortilla. I have 2 boys, one of my boy, 1 corn tortilla. So I'm going to plate 1 flour tortilla and 1 corn tortilla. Squeeze with some lime juice and garnish with avocado and cilantro. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment any ideas and the recipes that you like. So please watch the next video for more recipes.